guys, welcome to another exciting episode of your favorite entertainment corner, KOKO with Rundown. Let's get the show kick started. Earlier this week, Twitter removed the blue verification badge from various Nigerian celebrities' accounts. Although owner Elon Musk had earlier made it known that users of the blue app will have to pay a certain amount so as to get the verification badge. Well, some celebrities like Baby Niger Thatcher, Perry, and the rest have all come out to react, saying the move does not make sense. Moving on, Ghanaian artist Obrapo has sued Canadian singer Drake for $10 million for copyright infringements on one of his songs. Well, Drake has not come out to say anything to these allegations. Moving further, Nigerian relationship expert Blessing Okoro, also known as Blessing CEO, has regained freedom after spending 2 weeks in police custody over the IVD case. Well, she has come out to thank all those who checked on her while she was away. Another piece of news that broke this week was the shocking revelation by Maven boss Nonjali saying he has 2 songs with Afrobeat singer wizkid but didn't release them because the songs were not good enough. Some netizens have come out to react to this. A user said, "What were you expecting from She Tell Me Say?" Another news this week was that of various celebrating their marriage anniversaries. Rita Dominic and her husband, Nollywood actress Ufoma McDermott, celebrating their 13th anniversary. In music, Olamide has dropped another single featuring sensational singer CK in a song titled Trumpets. Another song released was that of ex-Malian record signee Mohbad titled Ask About Me. The song has however drawn the attention of Nollywood actor Jikon Baba Oja, saying Mohbad will be sued to court for body shaming in the track. Well, that will be all for this week. Please do not forget to watch our previous episode and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more amazing content.